Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you my Maserati, and I'm going to change the side marker to LED. The side marker, which is right located next to the door, and I'm going to upgrade to LED, and it's very easy and simple DIY, and let's get started. In order to work on the lights, it's all under the fender wall. First step will be the jacking up the car and removing the wheel. First we're going to loosen the lug nut, then we're going to place the jack. I'll do the same thing with all of these. So this is the last one. So once we remove it, now we're going to take out the wheel. Now we're going to remove many screws. Screws here, then we're going to remove this screw on this side, then some on this side, then we're going to remove the push pin on the top as well. So we're going to work around. After removing all those screws and push pins, now the wheel well come out from this side and it's dropped down, and now we're going to pull it out. This is the side marker is with the original OEM bulb. If you look at, this is the bulb right here. So if we're going to turn around anti-clockwise, then we pull it. This is the bulb. This is the bulb. I took it out, and this is the LED. I'm going to put it in. See, once you put it in, yeah, you just turn around like this. See, it should be facing straight like this, clockwise. If you look at right now, it's very bright. So I'm sure you're going to like this LED upgrade. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side, on passenger side. If you see, this is the side marker right here. This is the clip on this side. So we're going to press it and we're going to push it out. If you look it on this side, so when you press it, then it comes out. This is the plug. You pull it out, and this is the long wire. Twist it like this and it will comes out. So as you see, this is the original light, and I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put the new one in. Look at how beautiful, perfect LED light. Once we put the cover back on, look at this. And now I'm going to insert it in, then it will snap back in. This is looking so beautiful. The same way, I'm going to change on the other side. And I'm going to replace it with LED. We're going to plug in the LED, and it is super bright. You put it in, you turn it around, you put it inside, it's going to snap in and it locks in. And that's how it's simple and easy to upgrade your signal side marker to LED lighting. If you like this video, please give a like and share. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.